Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Anna. I'm an English school owner, a teacher trainer and an English teacher. So today we are going to be dealing with some advanced vocabulary, and this vocabulary is going to be devoted to the topic of business and employment. If you are preparing for your IELTS exams, FC, CAE, CPE, I'm sure that this lesson and this vocabulary will come in handy. Please watch this video till the end, because in the end I'm going to give you a present. It's a link to a Quizlet set with all the vocabulary we've covered today. There you will have all the terms, definitions, examples, collocations, and so on. The activities and the language which we are going to cover today are from the book Masterclass CAE. I adapted them to Miro virtual board. Okay, so let's have a look at this activity. You can see here 6 words and phrases. A memo, a pay rise, a business stuff, a meeting, and a deadline. And you are supposed to find 2 verbs which collocate with each particular word or phrase. You can pause the video now and do this activity on your own, and after that we'll go through it together. Okay, I hope that you've done this activity on your own and you have some understanding on what verbs to choose. Normally when I do such kind of activities, I start with the easiest word I know, where I'm maybe 99% sure or 100% sure. Yes, something that is really familiar to me. For example, here I think a business. I know what collocates with the word business. And let's see, what can we do with a business? Chair, circulate, draft. I would say that we can run a business. So run a business meaning to manage a business. And we can set up a business, to start a business. So run a business, manage it, and set up, start a business. Okay, then I think a good one with staff. So people we hire. What can we do with them? Well, we can actually hire them, and that is also recruit. So we can recruit staff, hire staff, and we can select staff, choose people who are going to work for us. So recruit, hire, select, choose. A meeting, hold a meeting. So holding a meeting meaning to have actually a meeting, to take part in it. And chair a meeting. Chair a meeting, to be in charge of it, to be the main person of the meeting, who regulates all the processes there. So hold a meeting and chair a meeting. A deadline. What can we do with a deadline? We can set a deadline. We decide by what day or date we should do something. For example, I have to finish my project by tomorrow. So my deadline is tomorrow. So I can meet the deadline and finish the project today, for example, or maybe tomorrow in the morning. Or sometimes we don't meet a deadline. That means that I cannot finish my project, work by tomorrow. So I have to take some extra time. What can we do with a memo? Memo with some information, some message. We can draft a memo, so write it for the first time and maybe brainstorm some ideas on what to write there. So after drafting a memo, we can change it a little bit to make it better. And we can circulate a memo. So it's like to move it, to send it to everyone so that everyone could see it and read it. And a pay rise. So we can negotiate a pay rise, meaning that we can come to our employer and discuss this issue. I would like to have a pay rise. And demand a pay rise. This is negotiating a pay rise in a forceful way. I either get a pay rise or I quit. So this is kind of demand, I would say. So these are our collocations and expressions. I hope that you've done everything correctly. In order to practice using this vocabulary more, you can write some sentences in the comments below. So how can you use these collocations in a sentence or in a short story? So it's up to you. And like I said, I'm going to share with you a Quizlet set on this vocabulary, so you can do some tests on it, you can learn it better and so on. To get this Quizlet set, please follow me on Instagram, send me a direct message, business Quizlet, and I'll send you the link That's the end of our lesson. So have a good day. See you in the upcoming videos. Bye!